Welcome to the GA Pre-K video series. In this video, we will guide you through how to create and manage teacher data using functions of the Class Reporting Manager. The Class Reporting Manager allows you to complete activities including adding and removing students, including returning students and those from waiting lists. It also allows for uploading student documentation, closing student profiles, adding, moving, or changing teachers, and adding additional staff or substitute teachers. In this video, we demonstrate how to manage teacher data. Select the Class Reporting Manager option displayed on the left panel. Click the Manage button on the desired site tile. Note there are two tabs, Student Data and Teacher Data. To access the Teacher Data page, click the Teacher Data tab. Let's begin by adding a teacher. On the Teacher Data tab, click the plus Add Teacher button. In the Teacher Information section, locate the Search Teacher fields. Enter all required information as indicated with a red asterisk. A first name in the first name text box. Enter the teacher's first name exactly as it appears in the Teacher PDS profile. B. A last name in the last name text box. Enter the teacher's last name exactly as it appears in the teacher's PDS profile. C. Enter the value in the PDS number field. If you don't have a PDS number, click the Teacher does not have a GA PDS number checkbox. D. Enter the last four digits of the teacher's Social Security number in the corresponding field. E. Then, click the Search button. In this example, the information we entered does not match existing teacher information, so the Add Teacher Manually button displays. Click the Add Teacher Manually button to manually enter the teacher information. The teacher information fields display to enter the required information. A. Select the correct value in the teacher type drop-down list. B. Enter the first name in the first name text box. C. Enter the last name in the last name text box. D. Now enter the 9-digit Social Security number in the Social Security number field. E. Enter the email address in the email address field. F. Select the correct value in the credential drop-down list. G. Enter the value in the credible years of experience field. On the Assign Teacher to the Class section, enter the following information. A. Click the Class ID drop-down to select the class. B. Click the Begin Date field to enter the begin date. After updating all the required details, click the Save button. The Move feature allows you to transfer a teacher to another site or class within your program. Now we have returned to the Teacher Data tab. From the list of teachers, please select the teacher within the class you need to move. Then, click the arrow Move button. The Move Teachers pop-up window displays. Select the correct action for the teacher you wish to move. Move the teacher to another site or move to another class. Let's begin by working on the Move to Another Site option. After you click the Move to Another Site radio button, A. You must click the Select Site drop-down to select the site from the drop-down list. B. Click the Select the Class which the teacher will be moving drop-down list to select the class. C. Click the Teacher Type drop-down to select the teacher type from the list. D. Click the Teacher Begin Date in the New Class field to add the beginning date. E. Click the Teacher End Date in Current Class field to add the end date of the current class. F. Click the Submit button. If you need to move the teacher to another class, click the Move to Another Class radio button. A. Click the Select the Class which the teacher will be moving drop-down list to select the class. B. Click the Teacher Type drop-down to select the teacher type from the list. C. Click the Teacher Begin Date in the New Class field to add the beginning date. D. Click the Teacher End Date in Current Class field to add the end date of the current class. It is important the teacher end date in the current class is on or after the teacher begin date in the new class. E. Click the Submit button. After saving, a success message will be displayed on the page. The class changes of the selected teacher or teachers will be reflected on the Teacher Data tab. Now, Let's review how to change a teacher type. The Change Teacher Type feature allows you to switch a role between teachers, such as from assistant teacher to lead teacher, as needed. To change teacher type, we return to the Teacher Data tab. Click the checkbox to select the teacher to be changed. Then, click the Change Teacher Type button. When the Change Teacher Type pop-up window displays, enter the following information. A. Click the Teacher Type drop-down, then select the correct type from the list. B. Click in the Effective Date field and indicate the date the change will take place. Click the Save button. A success message will be displayed on the page. When revisiting the Teacher Data tab, the teacher type and the effective date of the change will be displayed in the Teacher Data section. Additional staff are classroom staff separate from the lead and assistant teacher. Classes with additional staff, like an inclusion class for example, may report additional staff. To do so, ensure you are on the Teacher Data tab of the Class Reporting Manager. Click the plus Add Additional Staff button. When the Add Additional Staff button pop-up window displays, review the information, then click the Continue button to proceed to the Additional Staff page. In the Teacher Information section, locate the Search Teacher fields and begin entering the required information. A. Enter the first name in the First Name text box. Enter the first name exactly as it appears in the teacher's PDS profile. B. Enter the last name in the Last Name text box. Once again, enter the last name exactly as it appears in the teacher's PDS profile. Enter the value in the PDS number field. As a reminder, select the teacher does not have a GA PDS number checkbox if they do not have a PDS number. D. Enter the last 4 digits of Social Security in the corresponding field. E. Click the Search button. If the information you enter does not match existing teacher information, the Add Teacher Manually button will display. Click the Add Teacher Manually button. You will be directed to the Additional Staff page. In the Teacher Information section, enter the following required information. A. Enter the first name in the First Name text box. B. Enter the last name in the Last Name text box. C. Enter the last 4 digits of the teacher's Social Security number in the corresponding field. Scroll down to the Assign Teacher to the Class section to begin entering the following information. A. Click the Class ID drop-down list to select the class ID. B. Click on the Begin Date field to select the correct beginning date. Click the Save button to save the details. After saving, a success message will be displayed on the page. The Class Reporting Manager includes the Multiple Substitutes Used feature. Use this feature when multiple adults will staff the class. To select a teacher for substitution. 1. On the Teacher Data tab, click the checkbox to select the teacher. Then, click the Multiple Substitutes Used button. The Replace with MSU, Multiple Substitutes Used pop-up window will display. 1. Click in the Former Teacher End Date field. Select the date the former teacher will end. 2. Click the Confirm button. A success message will display on the page. Let's review how you can close a teacher. As a primary authorized user and project director, you can manually close a teacher records by adding an end date. Additionally, the system automatically closes all teachers at the end of the school year, setting the end date to June 30th. To close a teacher manually, 1. Navigate to the correct site. 2. Click the Teacher Data tab. 3. In the Action column for the teacher, click the Edit Pencil icon. The Edit Teacher page will display. In the Assign Teacher to Class section, click the End Date to update the date. Click the Save button. The end date will be reflected on the page for the selected teacher in the Teacher Data section. Another helpful feature is Filter. To filter to only specific teacher data or to search for a particular teacher, perform the following steps. First, on the Teacher Data tab, click the Filter button. A pop-up will display with the available filter options. Enter or select the required fields, then click the Show Results button. Click the Reset button to reset your filter options. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.